Hey guys, I'm about to show you how I make my mouth-watering spicy special grilled chicken. Trust me, this recipe is fantastic. First, let me introduce you to the star of the show. Before we started, let me walk you through the magic behind the marinade. This is a secret sauce that makes all the difference, so pay close attention. For the marinade, I'm using some herbs and spices. I've got white pepper, onions, ginger, and garlic. And to add that perfect cake, I've got smoked paprika, and all this goes straight into the blender, creating a flavorful base. I added some seasoning cubes, a bit of salt, curry powder for that rich aroma, and a touch of Italian seasoning that adds a unique twist. And of course, a drizzling of olive oil for that perfect texture. And all this goes into the blender. I am going to be massaging this flavorful blend into the meat. It's like giving it a VIP treatment, ensuring every inch is infused with these amazing flavors. I blended the ingredients together to ensure that every spice, every flavor meets perfectly, giving our chicken that extraordinary taste. But it might seem like a lot, but trust me, this blend is what elevates the taste. It's like a symphony of flavors ready to dance on your taste buds. So, alright, after this massage, I am going to sit the chicken in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and after that, our chicken will be ready to hit the oven. Our chicken has marinated, and arranging these beauties on the oven plate, ready to be transformed into perfection. A quick pop into the oven and the magic begins. Using the grill section, I'm going to be leaving this chicken in the oven for 45 minutes. After some time in the heat, our chicken is ready. Just look at this masterpiece. It's succulent, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. I love pairing it with salads or some veggies. A perfect light meal, especially if you're watching your weight.